What's good YouTube? So I took one trade this morning and that trade turned out to be a break-even trade. So for the very first time in a while, I took a trade on 1 minute time frame and I had my own reason for taking that trade and the trade plays out where for sometimes at least I eat 1:1 before I broke even on the trade. So without wasting any time, let me just dive into the chart and show you what the trade looks like. All right, so the trade was on Euro USD and on 1 minute time frame. So the reason why I took that trade, let me go to 15 minutes time frame. So if I go to 15 minutes time frame, you can see all this section right here. That section was an Asian section, and the reason why I took, or the reason why I have confidence in taking that trade, let me go back to 1 minute time frame. You can see right here, below here, you can see the market broke below the Asian section, which means swept the liquidity below the Asian section. And when I saw that, so I have the confidence when I saw this mitigation block, so I have the confidence of taking that trade. So I took the trade around here. So the trade went up for like 1:1. So before the trade passes back to my break even, and the reason why I broke even on that trade, uh, here I can see another mitigation block, which is a bearish mitigation block. So that was the reason why I decided to break even on the trade. I really don't know. Maybe the trade, what the market is going to do after that. Maybe the market is going to go into my direction or is going to go against me. I've opt out of the trade, so it doesn't matter anymore. So that is for that. I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen, and I took the trade both on my good funded account and on the trader account. So I'm going to see you in the next clip. See ya. Alright, so let me show you something quickly. So this is the update on the trade I took earlier today. So the trade hit me out at break even and later went into the initial stop loss. So look at what the trade is doing for now. The trade hit the take profit, and I was right. I was initially right about the direction of the market, but unfortunately, it me out at break even. So it is what it is. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. So if I'm able to see any trade set up tomorrow, definitely I'm going to update you on it. So let me see you in the next video. What's good, guys? So today is Tuesday and this is Tuesday. So I took one trade yesterday, was Monday, after the break-even trade. So that trade I was a little bit, the trade was a little bit to hit me out, like a 1p, and the trade is doing well, but so let me just go straight to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. Alright, so the trade is on Euro USD. I took the trade on the 15 minutes time frame, but I analyzed the entry on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's say both on 15 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. So I took the trade around here. So my entry was around here, and the reason why I took the trade, I don't know, maybe it's not going to waste. Let me just go through it. Let me just quickly go through it. If I go to 1 hour time frame, sorry, daily time frame. If I go to daily time frame, you can see that I have here, we have one leg over here and another leg here, so making it double top. So because it was double top, that was the reason why I have the confidence of taking the trade to the downside. And the reason why I'm taking the trade was because on the 15 minutes time frame, if I go to 15 minutes time frame, so going to 15 minutes time frame, right here you can see the market structure shift over here. So that was the reason why, and I can see a tiny fair value gap over here. So that was the reason why I decided to take the trade, and I took the trade around yesterday's evening, and the trade almost hit me out around here, and that was yesterday. And I wasn't on the charts, I was sleeping. So around here, the trade was about to hit me out here, just a one peep to my stop loss, and started going into my direction. And I'm up about 1% now. I don't know what the outcome of the trade is going to be because nothing is certain in the market. So actually, this trade is a 1:7. So let's see how the trade is going to be, if it's going to plays out well or not. So I'm going to see you in the next clip. So let me see you in the next clip. It's Friday and this is Friday morning. So I lost the trade. The last trade I took, and was it on Tuesday? The trade hit my stop loss, and after hitting 1:1, so that day I decided not to go to chart. So that was the reason why I didn't record anything. So I decided not to take any trade that day because I don't want to make this month to be a losing month. So that was the reason why I stay out of the market. So for me to be profitable this month, I need to stay out of the market. So despite I've taken 6 trades for this month, I've taken 6 trades, and out of that six, one is a winner, while one is a break even. So the rest were losers, which is I had 4 losers, which is 4 losses, one win, and one break even. And the end of the day, I was able to come out of the month profitable. And even if it is 1%, I am still managed to be profitable for this month, and that is for that. So without wasting any time, let me go straight to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. All right, so this is the trade, and it is on Euro USD 15 minutes time frame. So this trade was crazy. See, after I think I eat more than 1:1 around here, yes, around here. So I eat more than 1:1. So before the trade passes back to eat me out of the market, and after that, see, since Tuesday, yes, Tuesday. So the market played around this place, and I just stay out of the market. I don't want to be tempted of taking trades. So that was the reason why I decided to stay out of the market throughout the week. So that is going to be my last trade for this month, which is January. So I'm going to make another video that's going to show my journal of the 6 trade I've taken for this month. And so on on my good funded account, so I'm down about 4% on the account, which is in phase two. So I'm down about 4% on the account. So I don't know what the next week is going to be. So I've minimized my total loss to one to 2 losses per week. So since I'm down about 4%, so that means, and I'm taking the maximum of 2 losses per week. So since I'm down 4%, so I have 6% left to blow the account. So that means I have 3 weeks left to blow my goat funded account. So that means 2 losses per week. So that means I have to have 6 back-to-back losses before I blow the account. So let's see what the next week is going to have for us. Next week is going to be new month, which is the month of February, and that is going to be my birthday month. So don't let me let the video to be long. I'm going to see you next week in the next video. Peace out and have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful life. So let me see you in the next video.